So another form of vectorized operations are operations which take multiple vectors as an input and then return a single vector as an output. So to give an appropriate example of such operations, I can simply create another list of employee taxes. Let's say I create this variable and assign it a new list of taxes which each of the employees is supposed to give. So let's say employee 1 is paying 100 as a tax, employee 2 is paying 150 as tax, employee 3 is paying 200 as tax, and employee 4 is paying 250 as tax. So now that we've got these two vectors, I can apply an operation uh, um, to these two vectors and get the result in a variable called apply net income. And I can use an assignment operator to get the result of our operation assigned to this variable called employee net income, and I can simply uh, use the employee salaries uh, vector and subtract employee taxes uh, from employee salaries. So I have these two. Okay, so just let me correct a typo, employee. Okay, that looks okay. And as a very last step, I can print out the employee net income, and what we are expecting to see is a list of employee net income after deduction of taxes from the salary of each of the employees. So if I select all these statements and run them, in fact, let me control L the console, and if I run them again, what I'll see is that I'm not seeing 1000 as the net income of the first employee. What I'll see is that 100, which is the tax, is deducted from the salary of the first employee, and I'm seeing the salary after deduction, and I'm seeing that the deduction has taken place from the salaries of each of the employee. But the gist of the video is that we are providing multiple vectors to this operation, to this vectorized operation, which is basically a subtraction operator, and the output of this operation, this vectorized operation, which is taking two vectors as an input, is a single vector which we are saving in employee net income variable and printing it out at the end, which we can see it over here.